An AI agent SaaS platform is a service. It offers AI agents online. Users subscribe to use these agents. They do not need to build the AI. This makes advanced AI accessible. Many businesses benefit from this. Examples include AI writing assistants or customer service chatbots which help users. These agents perform specific, helpful tasks. They automate work for people. Scalability is very important for any SaaS. SaaS platforms aim for many users. The system must handle user growth smoothly. Without good scalability, service can fail. Users expect reliable performance always. Slow service leads to unhappy customers. A scalable platform can grow with demand. This ensures a good user experience for everyone. It is key to business success. Cloud computing helps achieve true scalability. Providers like AWS, Azure, or GCP offer resources. You can get computing power on demand. You can also get flexible storage. This means you pay only for what you use. It avoids large upfront hardware costs. Cloud platforms are designed for scale from the start. They are essential for modern SaaS products. You can start small and grow big. Microservices are a key architectural style. Your application is built as small services. Each service handles a specific function. For example, user authentication is one service. Agent processing could be another distinct service. These services can be scaled independently. If one part is busy, only that part scales up. This improves overall system efficiency. It also builds a more resilient application. APIs are application programming interfaces. They allow customers to use your AI agents. Customers integrate your agents into their own systems. This is done via API calls. APIs act as a clear contract with your users. They define how to send requests. They also show how to receive responses from agents. This makes your platform very versatile indeed. It enables many different useful applications. Good API design is crucial for user adoption. APIs should be easy to understand. They must be simple for developers to use. Clear and complete documentation is essential. Consistent design across all API endpoints helps users. Versioning your API is also very important. This allows changes without breaking existing integrations. Always focus on the developer experience. This will encourage more people to use your platform. Databases store all your important platform data. This includes user information and agent configurations. It might also include usage logs. Choosing the right database is important for speed. Relational databases like PostgreSQL are common choices. NoSQL databases like MongoDB offer good flexibility. Consider your data structure and query patterns carefully. The database must scale as your platform grows. Performance depends heavily on this critical choice. Caching stores frequently accessed data temporarily. This data is kept closer to the user, or it is kept closer to the application. This allows for quick retrieval of information. It reduces the load on your main database. It also speeds up response times greatly. For example, you can cache popular AI agent results, or you might cache user session information. Tools like Redis or Memcached are often used for caching. Auto-scaling automatically adjusts your computing resources. It matches the current demand for your service. If more users come, resources increase. This happens without manual intervention. If fewer users are active, resources decrease. This ensures performance remains consistently good. It also helps to control your operational costs effectively. You only pay for the resources you actually need. Cloud providers offer robust auto-scaling features for this. Let us consider an example of auto-scaling. Imagine your AI agent usage spikes suddenly. This might happen during peak business hours. Auto-scaling can add more server instances automatically. These new instances run your AI agent logic. When usage drops, these extra instances are removed. Another example is scaling database read replicas. This helps handle more data requests during busy periods. Auto-scaling rules are based on metrics like CPU usage or request queues. Load balancing distributes incoming user traffic. It spreads requests across multiple available servers. This prevents any single server from becoming overloaded. It improves overall reliability and service availability. If one server fails, others handle its traffic seamlessly. Load balancers can operate at different network layers. They are truly essential for high-traffic applications. They work very closely with auto-scaling mechanisms. This combination ensures a smooth user experience. Monitoring means constantly checking your system's health. You track key performance metrics and system errors. CPU usage, memory usage, and response times are key. Error rates help identify problems quickly. Effective monitoring helps detect issues early on. This allows you to fix them proactively. Often you can fix problems before users notice. It is vital for maintaining high service quality. Tools like Prometheus or Datadog are very useful for this. Security is extremely important for any SaaS platform. You are responsible for handling user data safely. You are also protecting your valuable AI models. A security breach can destroy user trust completely. It can also have serious legal and financial consequences. Security must be a top priority from day one. It should not be treated as an afterthought. You must build security into every part of your platform. This is a continuous process. You should use strong authentication for all users. Implement robust authorization to control data access. Encrypt sensitive data both in transit using HTTPS. Also encrypt data at rest in your databases. Regularly update your software and all its dependencies. Protect against common web vulnerabilities like XSS or SQL injection. Consider conducting regular security audits of your system. Train your team on security best practices. Secure your APIs very carefully. Building a scalable SaaS platform is a complex task. Do not try to build everything all at once. It is better to start with a minimum viable product. An MVP has only the core essential features. This allows you to launch your product much faster. You can then get early user feedback. This feedback is invaluable for future iterations. Focus on solving one specific problem well initially. This will give you a strong foundation. Building a successful SaaS platform is a journey. You will learn a great deal along the way. Use the feedback you receive to improve your product. Add new features to your platform incrementally. Continuously monitor and optimize system performance. Do not be afraid to make necessary changes. The technology landscape also evolves very quickly, so you must stay curious and keep learning. This will help you adapt and succeed long-term.